Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm just getting in a reading. Mad bird virus. It's sweeping the nation. Oh my god. I'm talking about some of the symptoms here. The first one is severe mood swings.
Here's your raise. Oh, and here's the other raise I gave you.
Oh, yeah,
and here's the one I promised you later during the year. Oh, and here's the one I gave you for your birthday.
Thanks, Hans. You're really nice.
I hate you! Oh, you have mad bird virus.
The second symptom is severe hallucination.
Oh my god, it's Britney Spears.
No.
It's Britney Spears.
You have mad bird disease.
No way, it's Britney
or
Spears.
virus.
Oh my god. Are you filming this?
I think he has
Britney Spears.
mad bird virus.
Everyone get him, he's Britney Spears.
Oh my god, no. Okay, I'm gonna take
No!
Oh my god, this just in. It's taken over Mexico. No one is safe. Oh, and the third symptom is random barking.